Paseo La Galeria in Asuncion, Paraguay. Paseo La Galeria, as it will be called, the complex that will be installed on Aviadores del Chaco and Santa Teresa, will have a gastronomic and entertainment area, an events room and 2 corporate towers, in a development of 220,000 square meters of construction, which will cost around US $130 million. The shopping center, which is an undertaking of the Blue Tower firm, will have a complex of 10 movie theaters operated by Cinemark, as well as a leading supermarket chain in Paraguay, whose brand has not yet been announced, an innovative department store and a modern food court with 16 restaurants, reported through a statement. It will also have more than 150 stores that will include leading brands in the country and an offer of new concepts that will offer a shopping experience without comparison in the market. In the gastronomic and entertainment area you will have approximately 10 first-class restaurants and cafeterias that will complement the commercial and office offer, integrated to a natural environment developed around the original vegetation of the land. With a central open space of more than 2,500 square meters, users can enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner in a spectacular environment with wooden platforms, fountains, water mirrors and attractive gardening, they say. The corporate towers will have a modern and elegant architectural design, with 2 23-story towers that aim to become one of the icons of the city and reflect the economic development of Paraguay. It will offer more than 3,000 parking spaces, which will be distributed in 2 floors in the basement and 2 vertical platforms of 6 floors each. The complex will feature a variety of additional services, such as a 1,700 square meters modular room for events, seminars, conferences, and training courses with terraces, gardens and direct access to the parking platform. Also a gym of more than 1,000 square meters designed with glass facades from floor to floor on the 4th floor. Paseo La Galeria will provide an important source of income to the municipality of Asuncion and the central government in taxes and will generate thousands of direct and indirect sources of work. The beginning of the works will be at the beginning of 2014, they reported. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.